Well, one thing we know for sure is that we are in the middle of this second wave, and provinces like Alberta and Ontario are posting record case counts. With the start of flu season, health experts are warning of a long, dark winter ahead. Jill Promley is a familiar face on our show. She lost her 2-year-old son, Jude, to the flu, and she's urging all Canadians to get the flu shot, saying it is more important than ever. This week is Flu Prevention Week, and Jill joins us this morning from Toronto. Jill, thank you so much for being here today. How is this year different for you and your family when it comes to preparing for the flu?
Hi, Ben. Good to talk to you today. Yeah, it's been a weird year. Of course, COVID-19 has been such a challenge for everyone, and it's been, different for everyone in every way. It's been strange to live through this, having already lost so much to infectious disease, and we've been very, I don't know. It's just been hard to kind of get ready for what flu season is going to look like. So, we've just been looking at how this has been affecting everyone around us, and just really feeling for everyone who's lost so much this year.
Jill, the Public Health Agency of Canada says that the demand for the flu shot this year will be higher, and physicians are concerned there may not be enough to meet the demand. Now, for people who want to get the flu shot but couldn't because it wasn't available, what do you tell those people?
Yeah, that's something that I'm definitely concerned about also. So, the same things that we're doing for COVID-19 also really help prevent the flu. So what we're hoping is that we're going to see a more mild flu season than we would normally see. But it is still important to get the flu shot if you're able to, and especially if you are around, if you're seeing people outside of your household, and especially if you're around people who are higher risk. So do what you can to get it if you are around people who are more vulnerable. But, everything that we're doing otherwise, the physical distancing, wearing masks, especially right now, washing your hands at least 8 times a day, but more if necessary for 20 seconds, covering coughs and sneezes. All of these things are really important, not just for preventing COVID-19, but, every year during this time of year to make sure we're preventing the spread of the flu. So take those steps because they'll protect you not just from the pandemic, but also from this annual issue that we deal with.
Well, I guess that's the issue, isn't it, Jill? Is it a lot of people who are washing their hands, socially distancing, wearing masks, not going out as much as they used to? They're saying to themselves possibly, well, I don't need to get the flu shot this year because I'm already taking these preventative measures. What do you tell those people?
Yeah, and, absolutely. We're hoping that it will be, much better than what we normally see. And certainly in the Southern Hemisphere, we did see that they had a milder flu season. Now, they were in a different state of lockdown than we are here. We're much more open. And they also vaccinated to a higher rate than we typically do here and that we're expecting to here. We're hopeful that we'll see less flu here this year. But at the same time, every year in Ontario, we see about 5,000 flu hospitalizations and about 12,200 across the country. That's a lot of beds that we're filling with people who are sick with a preventable illness. So we need to do everything we can, not just this year, but every year, to make sure that we're preventing those illnesses because we don't have those resources available, any year, really. We have all of our hospitals going into surge protocol to deal with this annual problem. But this year, we really need to make sure those resources are protected for people who are sick with COVID-19, but also to deal with backlogged procedures from earlier in the season.
Jill, such an important message. Thank you so much for being here, and we wish you and your family all the safety and happiness.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.